This is lesson 1-1, adding integers with the same sign. So in that last section, we were looking at adding some integers just like straight up or with a number line. And here we've added some word problems to it. So here we go. On the first two downs, a football team lost 12 yards and then lost 6 yards. Write an expression with addition that shows the change in yards of the first two downs. So this is a problem that you might see in Get More Math. And the first box, they want the problem. And in the second box down here, they're going to want the answer. It says that they lost 12 yards. Well, that's where they started with that loss. That's minus 12. And then they lost 6 yards. Well, that's minus 6. It asks us to write an expression with an addition problem in it. So I want to put my plus sign between this. It says, hey, we lost 12 yards and then we lost 6 yards. So if we add these together, it's a loss of 18 yards. And we want to get in the habit of putting our units on there. Get More Math is going to be looking for those units. We don't want to lose points because we didn't write them down. Okay, so a second problem. Sam started the week with a balance of $10 in his checking account. He then deposited $180 into the checking account. Express the resulting balance as an integer. So in this case, there's only one box, right? Here they wanted the problem and the answer. Here they just want the answer. I'm going to write out the problem to the side just so it's a little bit clearer. So a starting balance of $10. That means that Sam had $10 in his bank account. And you can't see that because it's off the screen. Here we go, $10. He then deposited. Deposit is a word that means put into the bank. So he had 10 and he's like, hey, I'm adding some more money to my bank account. I'm adding $180. That means that after he deposited his money, after he put in his money, he had 10 plus 180 or $190.